Well, hello there, YouTube. Today is December 23rd. It's a pretty nice day out. 64 degrees. I'm going to stop and top off. I don't know if you remember how I go up here, and gas is usually like $2.33, and for the holidays it runs up to $2.65, $2.75, $2.77, just for the holidays, because people travel and they want to make more money. I think this is like a thing all over the country, not just here in Texas. Which is kind of sad, but 2020 for the holidays again. I mean, it went up for Thanksgiving too. Yeah, it went down 267. It was 275. I'll go top off just for the heck of it. I got my warmer clothes on. I just got the rain pants on, and I got sweats underneath just because it's a little cool. I got over half a tank, but I like to top it off. Just you never know where I'm going to go or how long I'm going to be gone. It's December 23rd. That's pretty cool. See, you can live in Texas. You can actually ride all year round and not have to winterize your motorcycles. I've never winterized. I left the thing on, but I've never winterized them. Now, take my gloves off. I'll turn this off. Well, hello there again, YouTube. It's still December 23rd. What is it? 66 degrees. That's not too bad. The sun was out. Doesn't look like it's gonna rain, but I got this light jacket on. It's got like a fleece liner. It's really warm. I had to take off my sweatshirt before I put it on, just because it's usually a lot warmer than it looks. And these rain pants are real thin and they're really light. So I'm out for a ride. It's really nice. Like, as you can tell, I'm on the Goldwing again. I just really like riding my Goldwing. It's so much more stable. Like on this road, it's peaked and it doesn't affect the Goldwing, but the Spider is just kind of all over. You kind of disheartening. You gotta really pay attention, otherwise you get tossed off the road, which is kind of weird. Well, I'll talk to you later. Bye.